tatay, mommy, at daddy. Siyempre, and sila tita. Okay, for your second wish is to Jonex, to grow up, to be always, ano daw po, siyempre magdasalin dapat lagi si God, may Lord, siyempre si Jonex. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jonex. And siyempre po, si Jolly. For your third wish, Jolly, is to Jonex, to grow up. Wag daw po, madaldahan. Ayan, wag daw po madaldahan. Dapat behave ka rin daw dapat, sabi ni Jolly. Okay, for your final wish, is to Jonex, to grow up, to be always be happy life. Of course, none other than si Jolly. Wala po naman po natin si Jolly. Of course, ito ay tita, to please be in that. Siyempre po, tita, sa si Jolly may birthday wish. Siyempre po, may wish rin tayo for Jolly. Ano po wish natin for Jolly? Huwag siyang makita